The ownership for AI should be at the C-level. It should be communicated down the line. They should watch out for resistance to change. They should watch out that the quality of data is right. And they should ensure that the first few projects are successful. And if that happens, pigs will learn to fly.
What advice would you give to a technology leader that say that they're being asked by their executive board, what's our AI strategy? What advice would you give to a leader on how to get started?
AI is going to be the next big wave. It is going to be visible, it's going to be invisible, it'll be a part of the business. It's like the air we breathe, right? It's a very powerful technology, and the way we implement it will determine how successful it is. My recommendation would be the ownership for AI should be at the C-level. It should be communicated down the line. They should watch out for resistance to change. They should watch out that the quality of data is right. And they should ensure that the first few projects are successful. And if that happens, pigs will learn to fly. The biggest problem we face is resistance to change. And I think that's an evolutionary process. We've seen it through every change we've gone through. And I think the best is to give you an example. We work with a heavy trucking company. They were looking at allocation of vehicles to their dealers. And this was manually done by someone with a spreadsheet who would determine which dealer gets what trim and what color and what make and how many of the trucks. We went in and offered to do this at our cost. We looked at the data, and there were two problems we found. The source data that we were looking at, we had to do a lot of work to make it clean and ready. We had access to over 10 years of data. And then we got the zip code of where these trucks and cars were going. And we were able to get that data in, and together we were able to train this and produce results which incorporated all this thinking. And lo and behold, there was a small team that was doing this manually, and they just wouldn't accept this at all. They came back asking 1,000 questions as to why would they believe this. And we had a tough time explaining why they would believe this. They've still not accepted it. And it's still been sold at multiple levels. But we are determined that we will see the end of the day on this because it's valid. And like this, AI can be applied to every part of the business.